Studio Tropolite presents how to make Korean cheese bun. Soft, sweet and loaded with creamy goodness. Korean cheese buns are trending across bakeries and cafes. We use Tropolite cream cheese because it's smooth to blend, rich in flavor. Combine 80 grams Tropolite cream cheese, minced garlic and fresh coriander to taste and 80 grams of mayonnaise. Blend until smooth and creamy. Make a slit through the middle of the bun and pipe the filling right into the heart of the bun. In another bowl, combine melted butter and chopped coriander. Mix well, then dip the Korean cheese bun upside down into the mixture. Now bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes and then serve. From Korean cafes to Indian bakeries, this is comfort food done beautifully. Contact your Tropolite distributor today.